Are you running into an issue where the Find My iPhone feature is grayed out on your device? It can happen for a few reasons, like restrictions, iCloud settings, or even a software glitch. No worries though, I'm here to walk you through some simple steps to help fix it. Let's dive right in and get it sorted. Solution 1. Check iCloud settings. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then, tap on your name at the top of the screen. After that, select iCloud. Now, check if Find My iPhone is turned on. If it's grayed out, you might need to sign out and sign back in to your iCloud account. For that, go back to Settings, tap Apple ID, then scroll down. After that, tap Sign Out. Now, enter your password to log out. Next, try logging back in again and see if that fixes the issue. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Start by opening Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. Now, select Allowed Apps. Make sure Find My iPhone is allowed here. Go back and now turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, swipe down from the top and turn off Low Power Mode on your iPhone. Next, restart your iPhone to ensure the changes take effect. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings, then tap on General. After that, tap Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings again. Tap General. After that, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset. Then choose Reset all settings. This won't delete any of your personal data, but it will reset your system settings back to default. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Find My iPhone being grayed out. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to reach out for more help. You've got this.